Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and grateful to have you here with me today. Today we have another quick speed review video on a new product I'm so excited to share with you. Before we do get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into today's video. All right friends, so today we're going to be focusing on this brand new palette for me. I'm pretty sure it has been out and about there, but this is by LA Girl and it's called the Keep It Playful Eye Palettes, and this color is in Foreplay. I just fell in love with these beautiful colors right here. They're so pretty and perfect for spring and summer. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch each of these lines for you, and then we're going to go ahead and create a brand new look on my eyes, and I will give you my thoughts on this palette. All right, so here we have this first line of the shadows. They're so pretty. This is what the next row looks like. I know that these two colors look a little similar, and they actually are. One of them is just lighter than the other, but that's what the colors are for the second row. These are the shades for the last row of this palette. So overall, on the swatches of these beautiful shades, most of them are really creamy and buttery soft. Some of the matte shades are a little bit kind of harder to swatch, but the most important part is how they work on our eyes. So let's go ahead and get started on today's look. All right, so let me go ahead and show you what the final look looks like. I just applied some eyeliner. I did not apply any mascara or lashes, just so you could see the full potential of the shadows on its own. So here it is. Let me go ahead and tell you my final thoughts and review over this eyeshadow palette. So right here, I will have to say that all these matte shades were amazing. This one I did have to build up a little bit. The rest of these shadows, I used this one, I believe, and this one. This one right here, I had a lot of problems. It's a beautiful shade. This is the one, or the reason why I went ahead and picked up this palette, because I can swatch it and it looks beautiful, but on your eyes or on my eyes, I just couldn't make it work. I sprayed my brush, I switched my brush up, and it didn't work as good as it looks when you swatch it, but it's still a beautiful shade, and it's still, after I worked with it a little bit more, kind of gave me more of what I was expecting. But other than that, like this one, oh my goodness, buttery soft. It has a different texture. You see, even when you swatch it, this one is a little bit like this top one. Although it swatches really beautiful. I will need to continue playing with these because the rest look like they're gonna be fantastic. The rest of the shimmer shades look like amazing. It was just this one I had a lot of trouble with. So my overall thoughts on this product are that it is a good palette overall. It is only $10 and you get 9 shades in here. So essentially it's like you paying $1 per shade. Some of these matte shades are so buttery and so pigmented, like you have no idea. They're amazing. They blend it out like a dream. I think that overall for the $10, this is an amazing palette, especially if you're trying to branch out to different colors that you don't know if you're going to enjoy. I am going to go ahead and give this palette a thumbs up, because even though I had some issues with some of the shades, overall other shades performed fantastic and they blended like a dream. I will definitely continue using this and making more looks for you all, so keep an eye out for this on my Instagram, because I think that for $10 you cannot beat the price. So go ahead and tell me your thoughts down below. What did you think of this palette and how it worked for me? And do you have this in your collection or any other color? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. As always, I am so grateful for you. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on my next video. Bye friends.